This AI is better than OpenAI's AgentKit. Here's how to build agents with Google Opal in under a minute. Google Opal is a visual, modular agent builder with instant testing, one-click tools, and built-in safety. Step 1. Click New Agent to start. Opal offers templates and guided flows to get you moving fast. Step 2. Design behavior with the drag-and-drop flow editor. Connect actions, set conditions, and visualize decisions. Step 3. Add tools like web search, calendar, or connectors with single clicks. No heavy glue code required. Step 4. Run the agent in the built-in console and iterate instantly with live traces and logs. Now watch Opal side by side with OpenAI AgentKit to see where it pulls ahead. Setup speed. Opal spins up a working agent in seconds, while AgentKit often needs more code and configuration. Visual debugging. Opal's live trace shows each decision path clearly. AgentKit lacks that native visual trace. Safety and governance. Opal includes built-in guardrails, role controls, and audit logs so teams stay compliant. Key wins: Visual Flow Editor, instant testing, and one-click integrations. These features make Opal faster and more approachable. Try Google Opal today and build smarter agents faster than ever. Link in the description.